Billions of years ago, Earth was unconscious, until one mysterious event changed everything. Welcome to MindFlip Universe, friends. Have you ever wondered where we humans actually came from? Who were our very first ancestors? And what mysterious chain of events gave birth to our intelligence, our language, and even our culture? Let's travel back billions of years to discover the real story of human evolution. Because about 4.5 billion years ago, our planet Earth was nothing but a lifeless rock floating in space. For nearly a billion years, Earth was unconscious with no sign of life. But then, something extraordinary happened around 3.5 billion years ago, when the very first single-celled life appeared. And from that tiny spark, the greatest show on Earth began. The show of evolution. And across billions of years, life moved from oceans to land, and later to the skies, facing 5 great mass extinctions that tried to erase it forever. Yet life always survived, adapted, and grew stronger. 65 million years ago, the mighty dinosaurs vanished, and small mammals, once hiding in the shadows, finally came out into the open world, free to evolve into countless species. And from these mammals eventually came primates, the ancestors of humans. But it was only 7 million years ago when climate changes in Africa forced some of these primates to leave the trees, walk on 2 legs, and take the very first step toward becoming human. From here, evolution branched into many forms, but only one branch would one day lead to us. By 3 million years ago, species like Australopithecus learned to use stone tools. Eating meat helped their brains grow larger. Then came Homo habilis, the handyman, followed by Homo erectus around 1.8 million years ago, the first human ancestor to stand fully upright and to control fire, and fire changed everything. It gave warmth, protection from predators, and cooked food that fueled even bigger brains. Curiosity grew, intelligence expanded, and slowly our ancestors became different from all other animals. By 300,000 years ago, 2 intelligent species existed, Neanderthals and Homo sapiens. And about 100,000 years ago, Homo sapiens, our direct ancestors, began migrating out of Africa to explore the world. Survival in strange new lands demanded teamwork, and teamwork gave birth to a revolutionary invention: language. At first simple gestures and signs, then evolving into complex communication that allowed humans to share stories, plan hunts, build culture, and create bonds stronger than any other species on Earth. But migrating also meant colder climates. And so, about 170,000 years ago, humans invented clothing, using animal skins cut with stone tools, which helped them survive the brutal ice ages. Eventually, only one species survived: us, Homo sapiens, while Neanderthals vanished forever, leaving scientists still wondering why. Then, about 10,000 years ago, food shortages forced humans to invent farming. Agriculture changed everything. Instead of wandering constantly, people settled in villages, grew crops, and stored food, which gave them free time to invent new tools, develop writing, art, astronomy, and eventually civilizations. And in just a few thousand years, humans transformed into builders of cities, explorers of oceans, and masters of technology. But remember, evolution never stops. Just like fingernails grow slowly but surely, humanity is still evolving even today, shaped by our environment, our technology, and even our own inventions. So who knows? Maybe millions of years from now, new human species will emerge, more intelligent, more advanced, or even adapted to live beyond Earth. And yet one question still remains unanswered. How did life begin in the first place? Did asteroids billions of years ago bring amino acids, the building blocks of life, to Earth? And if so, could life also exist on other planets? And if yes, then why are we the only intelligent species we know of in this vast universe? This mystery still challenges science, but one thing is certain. Our story, the story of Homo sapiens, is one of survival, intelligence, imagination, and evolution. From naked wanderers to modern humans reaching for the stars, we have come a very long way, but our journey is far from over. This was the epic story of us humans, and if you enjoyed this mind-expanding journey, make sure to subscribe to MindFlip Universe for more hidden truths, cosmic mysteries, and thought-provoking stories. And until next time, keep exploring the universe with us.